Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome to my channel, The Invisible Trader. I hope ideally today people might have made money. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Yeah, I hope people have made money today based on the and not on the levels, but I think, as I said, because of the VIX, the market would be volatile, but our Astro timings will work, right? So there are few people in the group who made money around people who have bought around 12:30. I think 12:30 to 245. We said that market will go up. There are some people who have made money, not in Bank Nifty. Of course, Nifty was on a very on a positive side. If you look at considering if you have bought at around 12:30 here, there is a small dip here, but you don't need to worry because this was the day's lows. So we'll not do a detailed review today because it's already late night. So I'll give you a straight tomorrow morning trades. First of all, I told you when market was falling on Tuesday here, people asked me for the monthly positions, whether they want to keep the buy positions or not. I very clearly told that we are going to do a buy on dips. There are few people who commented on my YouTube video yesterday saying that you said market is on buy on dips, but Tuesday market fell really heavily. But if you look at today, the market actually opened up yesterday's high. So that itself shows that our buy on dip strategy has really worked. Today is a range bound market. It opened really heavily gap up, but still then I don't think people might have made money unless you have a direction from a timing point of view, right? So I hope the timing has worked for you, because the timing was till 12:30 we are on the selling side. If you look at in the morning up to 12:30 we're on the selling side, and then we're on the buying side. And so we'll go to straight tomorrow's timing. So as per the Astro timing, tomorrow's timing is 9:15 to 12:30. We have a good downside, and 12:45 to 2:30 positive, and then range bound. So you need to take a screenshot on this. Looking at the global market, if you look at Nifty, SGX Nifty at 17,285. So we'll start with Nifty itself. So if you remember the weekly video that I made on Sunday, my first target was around 17,000. This one 17,050 ke aspas, right? Second target was 17,225. Today when people ask me what to do in the positions, I said that you should cut your positions, because I honestly were not expecting that market will go to our second target. It will go to the first target and then will fall. The timings for the Astro for tomorrow is a fall anyway. So if market is opening up really high, let us say, right, it's a very good sign of basically selling. 285 SGX Nifty almost 17,300. So any level market is opening above this 17,225, we will only think of sell, and that is what the Astro timing is saying, right? So we'll go for a sell up to 12:30, 12:45 ke aspas. We can go for a sell. And as couple of people ask me where market will expire today, my personal view is market will expire above 17,100, at least this above this black level. Okay. So whenever market is coming down in the second half, try to sell 17,100 P or 17,050 P. 99% that this will become zero and you will make money. Okay. In terms of levels, you need to see where it will open. I said that market will minimum open around 150 to 200 points gap up. So we close at 16,983, which is around 17,000. So I am expecting that market will open around this range, 17,225 or 17,250 minimum. Okay. And we can go for a sale from the morning itself. When you are going for a sale, your target would be 17,031, this black level. Okay. Market might come to test the gap, might fill the gap here around 16,980, but our personal target would be 17,035. This is the sale, and the timing that I have given you guys, based on the timing only you are going to do a buy or sell call, right? So if you look at the rule that we have, if Monday the Astro timing works, we follow the Astro timing for the entire week. So Monday it worked, Tuesday it would work, Wednesday it worked. So my view is Thursday also it will work. So morning opening में ही sell करेंगे, 12:30 तक sell करेंगे, और 12:45 to 2:30 तक buy करेंगे. This buy may be big, may not be big, because if you look at the comment here, I have written the comment that 9:15 to 12:30 very good downside, right? So ये sell को हमें miss नहीं करना है. You may not buy, but don't miss the sell. That is my view. And if you look at market, almost taken how many points from the bottom? So 15,700 to almost 17,300. So it is like a 1300 point ka move in Nifty, which is very, very huge. Since it is Thursday, my view is that people are going to book the profit. And whenever you have a 250 points gap up, it is very, very natural from a psychology point of view, human being psychology point of view. People will start basically make profit from here. So they will sell. Okay, so we'll try to take the sell. 1245 के बाद we have to buy. डाउन साइड में मेरा जो लेवल है यहाँ पे मैंने आपको एक बाई जोन दिया है 16,890. सो 16,900. मार्केट कितना भी बड़ा हो, whether it is news driven or whatever it is, I don't think 16,900 will be broken ever tomorrow in entire day. Okay, so that means day's low of today is going to be saved anyhow. Okay, so that is why the view is basically market will definitely expire above 17,050. If market is opening hugely gap up, you take a sell. Don't open a straddle. But let us say market is opening around 17,100 के आसपास, around this black level, and there is a small gap up for whatever reason. Then you open a strangle, not straddle. Okay, you open a strangle of 17,200. And you open a short strangle around 16,900 to 17,200, 300 point ka strangle. Keep it till day end 330, and both of them should become ideally zero. बैंक निफ्टी में अगर आप देखोगे, ये मैंने एक वीकली लेवल मैंने जो बनाया था, if you look at this is the highest level I have told. First target was 35,900, which is almost touched today. 35,800, only 100 point left. And this was our second target, which is 36,315. So we are talking about a 600 point ka move on the upper side, either gap up or moving on the upper side, right? Our view would be that market should ideally open gap up. If market is opening gap up, either this level 36,100 or around this level 36,300, any of the range, if market is opening here, you are not going to buy it. So you will just look for a sell on rise, and everybody knows the price action. Second leg mein, if the swing low is cut, you are going to take a sell. First target would be 35,900. Second target would be 35,800. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. So 900 के बाद you need to make a close trail. If market is making a yellow candle on our indicator, then basically you wait for this level 35,700. I have given you a buy level around 35,500, but if market is coming from the upside towards down 35,700 पे, we can go for a 90% high probable buying up to 35,900. So ये 400 point की buying आपको लेनी है after 12:45 within the 2-hour range. After 2:45 you should not have any trade. Either you open straddle or you open strangle. You can open a strangle after 2:45 also if you want to. Okay, so that is where we are going to trade. Since it is late night, I'm not going to explain a lot of basically levels, but my personal view is bank nifty should not expire below 35,700. My personal view is bank nifty would expire above today's high. So 35,800 का PE भी आप sell कर सकते हो based on after 12:30 if market is actually making a reversal from here. Okay, and give respect to Astro timing. As I said, it has been working for last 3 days. So tomorrow very, very high chances that it will work. So morning में हम लोग sell करेंगे, second half में हम recovery करेंगे. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Good night. जय माता दी.